Hello teacher! So for today's video, pag-uusapan natin yung importance ng device checking. So I would just like to relate what happened to my referral po kasi nagka-problema siya regarding AC, yung new AC version. Ang naging problema niya is that hindi niya naririnig ang student. In the end of the student naman, naririnig naman siya. Okay, so there's a problem on the teacher side kasi hindi niya talaga marinig si student. So nag-exist yung problem na yon nung nag-updating yung AC. Of course, as my referral, kailangan ko talaga siyang tulungan naman kasi marami na siyang mga classes. Tapos yung basis ng kanyang klase kasi hindi naman siya pwedeng mag-absent, binabasa na lang niya yung opening ng mouth ng bata. So nakaka-go on pa naman siya sa kanyang mga classes. So I tried to check on her device checking. So ito yung nangyari sa kanya. Hindi magkatulad yung kanyang select microphone and select speakers. Ganito siya, teachers. Of course, we can see this one, yung upper right corner ng ating AC. Mayroong nakalagay dyan, beauty. Tapos, side that is like parang clock. So, you have to click that one para makita nyo tong device checking. So, take note po, teachers. Dapat naka-default po yon sa ating headset. Just like this example, dapat nakalagay dyan, naka-default talaga, just like in my case, Plantronics yung gamit ko. Ang nakalagay talaga is default headset, microphone, Plantronics, black wired. At saka doon naman sa select speaker sa baba, default pa rin is headset, earphone, Plantronics. Okay, so dapat magkatulad po yan para na marinig mo yung student mo at saka marinig ka ng iyong student. If you're going to arrow down, makikita mo dyan yung mga available microphones in your laptop. So, dapat naka-default yun sa inyong headset. So, yun yung nangyari kasi sa kanya. Yung isa, yung sa baba, yung select speakers ay hindi naka-default sa kanya headset. So, hindi niya marinig yung student. So, if you're going to run testing this one, dapat yung una, dapat marinig mo yung sarili mo, yung boses mo, para marinig ka ng student. Tsaka ito namang ikalawa, if you will click on test, dapat marinig mo yung ringing para na maririnig mo yung student. Regarding sa camera naman, naka-default rin ito sa inyong installed external camera if you are using an external camera. Madidetect ng laptop, of course, mayroon siyang internal camera at saka external camera. So, sa aking case, nakikita nyo dyan, Rapo camera yung naka-default sa akin. Okay, so every time na pumasok tayo sa AC, don't forget to do device checking para hindi tayo magka-problema kung naka-enter classroom na po tayo. And then, another thing, para naman double checking po tayo. If hindi pa rin gumagana, nag-device checking ka na dito, to go to setting, go to system, tapos click nyo yung sound. Dapat na makita nyo, teachers, yung input and output. So just like this example, ito galing to screenshot ito sa laptop ko. Input, nakalagay dyan na headset, microphone, Plantronics, black wired. At saka dun naman sa output, headset, earphone, Plantronics, black wired. So dapat uniform po lahat yon from the setting of your laptop at saka setting sa inyong AC. Okay? Para hindi tayo magka-problema. We have to learn this one kasi napaka-importante na alam natin mag-troubleshoot kung asan talaga yung problema ng ating headset. Naririnig ba tayo at saka yung camera, nakikita ba tayo? In our end, dapat na good, functional po yung mga devices natin. So I hope this video helps you, especially for the newbies at saka yung nag-a-apply pa kasi syempre you will still be getting inside MS Teams, AC sa demo version, will still be having your Chinese evaluators demonstrations. Always keep on checking your devices before you'll have the training, then the demo teaching. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you want to be one of my referrals, ganun pa rin, teachers, message me here in TikTok or in my Messenger account, or comment down below kung hindi nyo ko ma-reach out. You can also click on immediately my referral link found in the description box or in the comment section. So don't hesitate to message me if you have some clarifications regarding your application process. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!